Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ayatul Kursi. Allahu la ilaha illallah wal hayyul qayyum. La takhudu sinatu wa la nawm. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. Man zal ladzi yasfa'u ila bi'id. Ya'lamu ma baina aydihim wa ma khalfahum. ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم صدق الله العظيم. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There is no God but He, the living, the self-subsisting eternal. No slumber can seize him, no sleep. His are all things in the heavens and on the earth. Who is there can intercede in his presence, except as he permits? He knows what appears to his creatures as before or after or behind them, nor shall they compose oath of his knowledge, except as he wills. His throne does extend over the heavens and the earth, and he feels no fatigue in guarding and preserving them, for he is the Most High, the Supreme in glory. This ayah should be read as often as possible and committed to memory. It is a protection against calamity and harm. Ameen wa alhamdulillah ya Rabbil Alameen.